it.
Sometimes
No,
those happy accidents.
It was, dude. So I bought I bought the sand paint. I didn't realize it was textured with sand too. And so I was painting it, and I put the first layer on, put the second layer on, and I put.
You have your motor set up different on there. All right.
What's up?
You got your motor set up different on that.
Yeah, it's on the side.
That dirt scripting shit tire is pretty good.
Yeah, it is.
I'll just get over there.
And then when you pick it up, do you put it back where you were or what?
Yeah. Forward progress. So it would be like right at the end of that obstacle. Yep. I'm surprised how good this is. It's pretty sweet.
Try, Keegan.
Oh, you made it, dude.
Hey,
You made it.
that works.
Because you know where?
That's one way down.
Over here?
Yep. Up this rock anywhere. You have to go through this gate.
Come on.
You surprised you.
I gave it to my brother.
Oh, I hit the gate.
Keegan, here, just drive.
My servo's like.
Because I didn't know.
Yeah.
I didn't do the servo.
Yeah, it is.
I've got servo waiting. It's on the